What if the power grid went down tomorrow? Would you be ready? In a world where chaos can hit without warning, the right gear could be the difference between panic and peace of mind. These are the 20 coolest Doomsday gadgets every serious prepper should carry, starting with one that lights up your odds of survival. Let's talk about the Odoland Lantern with ceiling fan. This isn't just your average camp light, it's your emergency room's MVP. With 18 powerful LEDs and a built-in fan that can hang from your tent or bunker ceiling, this gadget does double duty when the heat and darkness become your worst enemies. It's powered by just 2 D batteries, making it ideal for off-grid situations. Whether you're trapped in a power outage or riding out a storm in a makeshift shelter, this thing keeps air circulating and light beaming without draining your resources. Oh, and it weighs less than a pound, so it won't bog down your bug-out bag. Next up, Iron Man Antibacterial Bandages. These aren't your standard adhesive strips, they're survival ready. Infused with advanced antibacterial technology, they're built to stop infection before it starts, even in the grimiest post-apocalyptic environments. Whether you slice your hand, setting up a shelter, or get scraped during a rapid escape, these bandages seal the wound while fighting off germs like a champ. They stick like glue even when you're sweating, running, or soaked in rain, and they don't peel off like cheap imitations. It's first aid that feels like it was made for the end of days, because it basically was. But you'll need more than light and bandages when things get real. How about a tool that does everything except start your car? Meet the Gerber Gear Suspension NXT Multi-Tool. This sleek little beast packs 15 tools into a lightweight pocket-sized frame, including pliers, screwdrivers, wire cutters, a bottle opener, and a surprisingly sharp blade. It folds neatly into your pocket, but opens up into a full-blown solution for all kinds of doomsday dilemmas. Need to cut a tarp, tighten gear, or fix your shelter on the fly? It's ready. Plus, it's backed by Gerber's reputation for rugged reliability. In survival mode, it's not just about having tools, it's about having the right ones. Now that your toolkit's covered, let's talk about staying warm, dry, and alive when nature turns hostile. Because sometimes, surviving the night is half the battle. Say hello to the Go Time Gear Survival Life Tent, an emergency shelter that weighs less than a water bottle but could be the ultimate lifesaver. Made from NASA-inspired mylar, this tent reflects up to 90% of your body heat to keep you warm, even in freezing conditions. It sets up in minutes, using just the included 20-foot paracord, and can fit 2 people in a pinch. Plus, it's waterproof, windproof, and bright orange, so rescue teams can actually spot you. Whether you're stuck in a snowstorm or trapped after a quake, this ultralight shelter turns any terrain into a temporary safe zone. It's a no-brainer for your bug-out bag, because cold can kill faster than hunger. Next, let's shed some serious light on the situation, literally, with tent LED lights by Fly to Sky. You get a 4-pack of compact, battery-powered bulbs that can hang inside your tent, stash in your gear, or clip to your bag. Each light pumps out enough brightness to fill a dark space, yet sips battery life like a champ. Think camping lantern meets tactical glow-up. And they're not just for tents. Use them during blackouts, car repairs, or late-night map reading. Each bulb even includes a carabiner hook, so setup takes seconds. Because when Doomsday hits, fumbling around in the dark is the last thing you want. And if the grid's gone and you still need hot food or safe water, that's where the Canway camping stove comes in. This portable wood-burning stove folds flat, weighs just over a pound, and runs on twigs, leaves, or pine cones, so you'll never need fuel canisters. Crafted from tough stainless steel, it's made to endure rough conditions, from rainstorms to relentless heat. The combustion chamber design delivers high-efficiency flames that boil water fast and cook food evenly. Bonus, it comes with a grill for roasting and a pot stand. In short, it's your off-grid kitchen, compact, rugged, and always ready to fire up. Enter the Sharpal 210N Transforod, a rugged, adjustable survival sharpener disguised as a tactical pen. This isn't your grandpa's whetstone. It combines a high-performance monocrystalline diamond rod with a tungsten carbide blade sharpener in one ultra-compact tool. Whether you're fine-tuning your knife edge or giving your axe a second life, this gadget works on nearly any blade in your gear. It's water-resistant, impact-tough, and small enough to clip to your Molly vest. And in Doomsday mode, a sharp blade can mean the difference between slicing rope or just hoping you can. But speaking of sharp, the next item might be the most intimidating pocket-sized tool you'll ever carry. Meet the HUAAO Ballistic Dart Launcher. It sounds like something out of a sci-fi movie, and it pretty much is. This stainless steel launcher uses spring-loaded force to fire solid darts with serious punch, compact, concealable, and scary effective. Whether you're hunting small game or fending off unexpected threats, this device delivers. Each dart is reusable and the whole launcher slips into your pocket like a pen. It's not a toy, it's tactical defense that fits in your palm. Just don't point it at anything you don't plan to take down. And now, for a survivalist's dream weapon, the AR-6 Stinger to Compact Crossbow by Steambow. Lightweight, rapid fire, and built like military tech, this pistol-style crossbow is as sleek as it is deadly. It's capable of firing multiple bolts in quick succession thanks to its magazine-fed design, and reloading is surprisingly fast. Perfect for hunting, defense, or sending a message to anything or anyone that's not welcome. You can customize it with red dot sights, lasers, or tactical lights, turning it into a true force multiplier. And the best part? It fits in a backpack, making it the ultimate stealth weapon when the world goes silent. Introducing the Paracord Bracelet by Atomic Bear. Yes, it's a bracelet, but it's actually a full survival kit wrapped around your wrist. Each one packs 5 essential tools: a ferro rod fire starter, compass, emergency whistle, mini knife, and of course, over 12 feet of durable 550 paracord. Whether you're lost in the woods or stuck on a roadside in the dead of night, this lightweight tool has your back. Need to build a shelter? Snare food? Signal for help? This bracelet's got you covered without taking up space in your bag. It's compact, stylish, and surprisingly capable for something that looks like a fashion accessory. Call it the Swiss Army knife of wristwear. The SOF Tourniquet is trusted by military medics and trauma teams for a reason. It's fast, rugged, and stops severe bleeding in seconds. The windlass system tightens down with precision, even under stress, and the reinforced buckle ensures it stays locked. Whether you're dealing with a hunting accident, car crash, or combat scenario, this is the tool you want in your IFAKi. It's one of those items preppers carry, but pray they'll never use. Because when things get messy, this might be the only thing standing between you and the unthinkable. The BigBlue solar charger is a beast of a panel that folds up compact but unfolds into a high-efficiency solar array. With 28 watts of juice and smart USB ports that auto-detect your device's needs, it can charge phones, radios, GPS units, and more, all with nothing but sunlight. And it's waterproof, dustproof, and built for rough environments. Hike with it clipped to your pack, lay it out on a bug-out base, or stash it in your go bag for emergencies. In a world without outlets, this thing is your lifeline. Meet the Avon Protection NH15 Escape Respirator. This isn't your average gas mask. It's the kind of respiratory protection trusted by NATO forces and designed for real-world chemical, biological, and radiological threats. It deploys in under 30 seconds and provides up to 15 minutes of high-level filtration in emergencies like industrial spills, subway gas attacks, or nuclear fallout. It's compact enough to fit in a glove box or EDC pouch, but powerful enough to give you a clean breath of air when the environment turns deadly. If you're prepping for the worst, this is the mask that means business. The LifeStraw Personal Water Filter. It might be small, but it can literally save your life. Just dip it into any freshwater source, river, stream, or sketchy tap, and drink directly through the filter. It removes over 99.99% of bacteria, parasites, and microplastics without any chemicals or batteries. One LifeStraw can filter up to 1,000 gallons of water, enough for over a year of drinking. Whether you're bugging out, camping off-grid, or facing a water crisis, this straw transforms almost any source into drinkable water. It's pure survival science, and it weighs less than a chocolate bar. The EATi Mag Multi-Utensil might sound simple, but it's essential when the canned food comes out and the takeout apps stop working. It's a fork, spoon, butter knife, bottle opener, and can opener, all combined into one slick, portable titanium utensil. Lightweight, durable, and made for adventure, this tool slips into your gear pouch or clips onto your pack. You won't realize how badly you need a real utensil until you're trying to eat beans with your fingers or pry open cans with a rock. Stay civilized even when the world isn't. That's where the Nightstorm X1 steps in. This futuristic night vision monocular lets you see up to 1,200 meters in pitch-black conditions with full 4K clarity. We're talking military-grade optics with true color, night vision, and video recording built right in. Whether you're on night patrol, spotting wildlife, or just trying to move undetected, this gadget gives you predator-like eyes in the dark. It even has a stealth infrared mode for zero-glow ops. In any collapse scenario, sight is survival, and this device lets you own the night like never before. The Smith & Wesson Extreme Ops folding knife is a rugged tactical folder that's built for fast action and serious cutting power. With a partially serrated 3.1-inch stainless steel blade and an aluminum handle, it's light in your pocket, but heavy on performance. One-hand spring-assisted opening means you're never fumbling when seconds count. Whether it's slicing cordage, prepping firewood, or defending yourself, this blade delivers. Plus, it's built by one of the most trusted names in tactical tools. So you know it's not just for show. The Zune Lotoo survival shovel is what you grab. This isn't just a shovel, it's a foldable, indestructible multi-tool forged from military-grade martensitic steel. It transforms into a pickaxe, hoe, saw, fire starter, knife, and even includes a built-in emergency whistle and glass breaker. Whether you're digging out a stuck vehicle, building a defensive trench, or chopping wood, this tool holds up under pressure. It's designed to smash, dig, slice, and hammer, all with modular attachments you can swap in seconds. It's part weapon, part workhorse, and 100% Doomsday approved. That's why every prepper needs the FosPower emergency weather radio. It's not just a radio, it's a survival lifeline, equipped with no AA alerts, AM, FM bands, a 2000 mAh EATi power bank, LED flashlight, and a reading lamp. You can power it 3 ways: hand crank, solar, or AA batteries. That means it's always ready, whether you're in a hurricane, wildfire, or SHTF scenario. This one gadget gives you light, updates, and phone power, all in the palm of your hand. When the world goes dark, the FosPower keeps you connected. The Sharpal 101N survival tool is a 5-in-1 fire starter, whistle, blade sharpener, and ferro rod combo, ready to strap to your pack or keychain. It's compact but packs serious utility. Sharpen your knife, start a fire, signal for help, or cut line with the emergency blade. The fire starter works even when soaked, and the whistle hits up to 10 decibels, loud enough to be heard in a canyon or collapsed building. Lightweight and built like a tank, it's a quiet little hero that earns its keep when things fall apart. So which of these would you pack first? Drop your pick in the comments, hit that like button, subscribe for more gear drops, and stay prepped, because the future waits for no one.